Alright, here's the B bank of elevators here for the St. Augustine portion of the Gaylord Palms here in Kissimmee, Florida. These ones are not scenic, unlike the other ones here. Let's go down. Oh, I guess this one's going, I think it's going down. Oh no, I don't.
Are you going down?
Yes.
Are you an employee here?
Oh wait. Oh no.
Okay. Yeah, down is just the for employees.
Yeah. My bad. Yeah. Let's see what happens when we open up. Yeah, definitely employees only. Not where we want to be. Anyways, we're heading up to 9. Like those older KONE chimes anyways, since we didn't get busted, and let's just go back down to the lower level. There's your phone. There's your cab. Like, I think these were redone, but I can't quite remember. Maybe I'm wrong. Somebody left their bottle of water in there. In here. Back up to 9. KSS 220 fixtures. Here we go. Also known as Series 220 back when Montgomery KONE made them. Here are 9. Alright, yep, and there's your elevator lobby for the 9th floor. There's out until the hallway, 9. And there's your interlock up there. And we're gonna end the video on 1. Button already went out. And we'll watch it go. And anyways, there it goes. We can't watch it go up because this one's not scenic like some of the other ones here. But anyways, there it goes, and that's gonna be it.